Let's be completely honest. Occasional constipation is frustrating, uncomfortable, and can completely derail your day. But when you look for a solution, most traditional laxatives come with a massive catch. They cause painful stomach cramps, sudden urgency, and a harsh shock to your digestive system. But what if there was a way to get predictable, gentle relief without any of those harsh side effects? Today, we are looking at one of the most doctor-recommended over-the-counter solutions in the world, MiraLAX. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are breaking down everything you need to know about MiraLAX, from how its osmotic formula works to the correct way to mix it. But stick around because in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to reveal a critical timing mistake most people make that completely delays its results, and the exact safety limit you should never cross when using it at home. You definitely want to know this before your next dose. All right, let's break down the science simply. What makes MiraLAX different from standard stimulant laxatives? It all comes down to the active ingredient polyethylene glycol 3350, which is an osmotic laxative. Instead of chemically forcing your colon muscles to contract, which causes those terrible cramps, MiraLAX works naturally with the water already in your body. It acts like a sponge, drawing water directly into your digestive tract. This process does two vital things. It softens the stool and increases the frequency of bowel movements. Because it unblocks your system naturally, it provides a highly predictable experience without any sudden, chaotic urgency. Plus, as highlighted right here on the bottle, it's an unflavored, grit-free powder. It dissolves completely, meaning you won't have to deal with a chalky, unpleasant taste. Now, let's talk about how to use it properly to get the best results. The bottle features a convenient measuring cap. For adults and children 17 years of age and older, you simply fill the cap to the indicated line, which is about 17 grams of powder. Next, stir and dissolve the powder completely into 4 to 8 ounces of any hot or cold beverage. You can use water, juice, tea, or coffee. It won't alter the taste. Here is the pro tip from maximum retention and tracking. MiraLAX typically takes 1 to 3 days to produce a bowel movement. It is not an instant emergency fix, so taking it consistently once a day at the same time is the real secret to restoring your natural rhythm. But before you start using it daily, there are some crucial health guidelines you must follow. First, MiraLAX is designed for occasional constipation. You should not use this product for more than 7 days unless directly instructed by your doctor. Relying on any laxative long-term can mask a deeper digestive issue. Second, if you are experiencing severe abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, or a sudden change in bowel habits that last over 2 weeks, do not take it. Stop immediately and consult a healthcare professional. MiraLAX is a globally trusted, reliable choice because it handles a tough problem gently, predictably, and without the harsh cramping of traditional laxatives. If this breakdown brought you value today, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point medical and healthcare guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay healthy, take care of your body, and I will see you in the very next video.